How do you guys think you did in that conjugation test?
I got a C+.
Guess who got an A?
I failed my conjugation test. I need to study for this. I'm going to take you and T-Pain. Cool.
Johnny! Oh! Get your verbs ready, it's about to go down. Everybody in the room get your verbs. But don't forget your endings. We running this. Let's go! I end in aste. I end in o. I end in amos. And aron. I end in a. I end in aste. Everybody look at me in my endings.
I'm a verb mother. Take a look at me. My ending ends in an E with an apostrophe. No estoy or a stock sound of past tense. You can't change me because I don't end in amos.
Present progressive end in the endo or ano.
They start with S star, like estoy or estamos. I've got my verbs, in my endings, baby.
Past tense means it already happened, like I ran to the store or I tripped my brother, man. Present progressive means it's happening now, like I'm running, man, or I'm kicking a cow.
I'm a verb, and I end in O, and that means I'm a past tense verb, man. Present progressive is in the endo or ano. If you end in those, then you sure ain't me. Oh! Get your verb, man! Let's go!
I'm a past tense mother. I'm a past tense mother. I'm a past tense verb with my endings mother.
Hey, I know if you can see me now. All grown up and a big for now. I'm gonna apply these tense verbs to the moon somehow. With my endings, anything is possible.
Yeah, never thought I'd be a past tense. I used to be a present progressive. But it already happened, so look at me. I end in aste. I end in o. I end in amos. And aron. I end in a. I end in aste. Everybody look at me in my endings. I end in aste. I end in o. I end in amos. And aron. I end in a. I end in aste. Everybody look at me. I ate a grape and I conjugate my verbs. Open the window and I felt the breeze and I conjugate.
So you want to say, get your verbs, man, let's go.
Sure.
Okay. Do you think you can stand out there and say that?
Yeah.
Do some arm things?
What am I saying?
Don't!
You gotta say my name!
You're oh
It's
what happens when it stands in the center wrong?
It's just like
okay.
no.
What? Trick 4 comes out next weekend.
Yeah. Here. Hi.
Well, this is awkward.